QuickBooks is a widely used accounting software that can help individuals and businesses streamline financial management. You can leverage QuickBooks to make money in several ways. Offer accounting services. If you are skilled in accounting, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers using QuickBooks. You can manage their finances, handle bookkeeping, and provide tax preparation services. Many businesses need professionals to set up, manage, and analyze their QuickBooks accounts. Become a QuickBooks Pro Advisor. QuickBooks offers a Pro Advisor program that certifies you as an expert in their software. By becoming a Pro Advisor, you can offer consulting services, provide QuickBooks setup and training, and support clients in optimizing their use of their software. This can be done on a freelance or contract basis. Offer QuickBooks training. Many business owners are unfamiliar with QuickBooks and need help navigating the software. Create courses or one-on-one training sessions to teach clients how to use QuickBooks effectively. You can offer these services through platforms like Udemy or provide direct consultations. Automate and sell reports. With QuickBooks, you can generate custom reports. Offer businesses customized financial reports or analytics to help them make data-driven decisions or charge a fee for this service.